Follow me as I go downtown Toronto for the Drunk Elephant event at Sephora. Today we're going to be meeting the founder, Tiffany Masterson. I asked Tiffany why she created Drunk Elephant, and she said that many brands can cause irritation to the skin because of chemicals and silicones. She wanted to create a brand that used only the best and safest ingredients that would give amazing results. Purchased the Proteiny Peptide Cream Mini. There were freebies, a claw vending machine, and gifts when you purchased from Drunk Elephant. I also received these products from Influenster, complimentary for reviewing purposes. Thank you, Influenster, for having me.